Hello everyone. So today we will be looking at the topic graphs. A graph is a nonlinear data structure which have two components, node and edge. We can also call node as vertices. In this figure, we can see 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6 are all nodes. And the line which is connecting the two nodes are called edges. These are called edges. Now we will look at types of graph. We have two types of graph, an undirected graph and a directed graph. In an undirected graph, which is in this figure, we can see that there is an edge from 2 to 3, which means an edge between 2 to 3 is also an edge between 3 to 2. But in a directed graph, the edge is between a specific direction, which is in this figure, we can see that there is an edge from 1 to 2 directing towards 2. But it doesn't mean that there will be edge from between 2 and 1. Now we will look at the ways to represent the graph. We have two types of ways in which we can represent the graph. The first we will look at adjacency list. It is an array of lists and its size is equal to the number of vertices, and the array ith position will represent the connected vertices of the vertex I. Now in this figure we will be looking at how an undirected graph is represented using adjacency list. As we know that edge between 1 and 2 is also an edge between 2 and 1. So for a vertex 1, we will be having two connected components, which is 2 and 5, which is also seen from this image. Similarly for all the vertices, as 2 is connected to 1, 5, 4, 3. So adjacency list of vertex 2 will have 1, 5, 3 and 4. It doesn't matter in which order you write. Now we will look at the representation of directed graph. So as we have an edge from 1 to 2, 1 to 4, we will represent it using adjacency list. Now the vertex I1 will have 2 and 4 as its connected components, 2 will have 5, 3 will have 6 and 5, 4 will have 2, 5 and will have 4 and 6 will have 6, as there is an edge from 6 to 6. Now we will look at another method of representing the graph, which is adjacency matrix. It is a 2D matrix and its size is equal to v square, and I comma j will represent an edge between I and j. Now in a directed graph, we will see the representation of it using adjacency matrix. So we can see it is a 2D matrix. Its size is equal to v square, and if there exists a edge between any two vertices, we will mark it as 1. So we have an edge between 1 and 2, 1 and 4. So at row 1, we can see that 2 and 4 are marked up as 1. Similarly for all the vertices. Now looking at the representation of undirected graph. In an undirected graph, the edge is bidirectional. So at row 1, it will have 1 at position 2 and 5, which can also be seen from this. Now for vertex 2, we have it is connected to 1, 5, 4 and 3. So we can look at the matrix here and see 1 is marked as 1, 4, 5 and 3. Similarly for all the vertices, we can do so. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.